Good afternoon, everyone. Today we are going to discuss the Kanban framework. Visual project management methodology that helps teams improve workflow, efficiency, and manage work in progress. Originally developed in the manufacturing sector by Toyota, Kanban has since been adapted for various industries, including software development and service delivery. By the end of our session, you will understand what Kanban is, why it's important, how to implement it effectively in your organization. Kanban is a visual method management tool that emphasizes continuous delivery and improvement. The core principles of Kanban include: first, visual work. Use boards to represent work items visually, making it easy for teams to see the status of tasks at a glance. Second, limit work in progress. WIP. Set limits on the number of the tasks that can be in progress at any given time to reduce bottlenecks and improve focus. Third, manage flow. Monitor the flow of work through different stages, identifying areas for improvement and ensuring a smooth process. Fourth, make process policies explicit. Clearly define the rules and policies governing how work is done within the team. 5, implement feedback loops. Regularly review processes and outcomes to identify areas for improvement and adapt as necessary. 6, improve collaboratively. Encourage team members to collaborate on process improvements based on data and insights gathered from their work. By following these principles, Kanban helps teams enhance efficiency, reduce lead times, and improve overall productivity. Why is Kanban important? Understanding the importance of Kanban is crucial for several reasons. First, enhanced visibility. The visual nature of Kanban boards provides clear insights into team workload and project status, facilitating better communication. Second, increased efficiency. By limiting work in progress, WIP, and managing flow, teams can identify bottlenecks early and optimize their processes for improved productivity. Third, flexibility. Kanban allows teams to adapt quickly to changing priorities or requirements without disrupting ongoing work. And fourth, continuous improvement. The emphasis on feedback loops encourages teams to regularly assess their processes and make incremental improvements over time. How to implement Kanban? Let's explore how organizations can implement the Kanban framework through 3 unique business cases. First business case we have is Zara. As a challenge, Zara needed to streamline its inventory management process to respond quickly to fashion trends. In terms of the visualized working, Zara implemented Kanban boards in its supply chain management to visualize inventory levels across stores. In terms of the limit work in progress, WIP, they set limits on how much inventory could be held at each store location to prevent overstocking. In terms of the managing flow, the team monitored inventory movement from warehouses to stores, ensuring timely replenishment based on demand. And in terms of the feedback loops, regular meetings were held to review inventory performance and adjust strategies based on sales data. As a result, this approach allowed Zara to respond rapidly to changing fashion trends while minimizing excess inventory, resulting in increased sales and reduced waste. Second real-world business case, so we have is a BBC. As the challenge, the BBC sought to improve its content production workflow for various media projects. In terms of the visualized work, the BBC adapted a Kanban board system for their editorial teams to track content creation stages from ideation to publication. In terms of the limit WIP, work in progress, they established WIP limits for each stage of content production, ensuring the teams focused on completing tasks before taking on new ones. In terms of the managed flow, the editorial team monitored the flow of articles through different stages and identifying bottlenecks in writing or editing. In terms of the feedback loop, weekly retrospectives were conducted to discuss challenges faced during production and opportunities for process improvements. As a result, this implementation led to faster content turnaround times and improved collaboration among editorial staff, enhancing overall content quality. And the third case we have here is the Tesla. As the challenge, Tesla aimed to optimize its vehicle assembly process while maintaining high quality standards. In terms of the visualized work, Tesla used Kanban boards on the production floor to visualize each stage of vehicle assembly. In terms of the limit WIP, they implemented WIP limits at various assembly stations to prevent overloading any part of the production line. In terms of the managing flow, the production team monitored vehicle progress through each assembly stage, allowing them to identify delays quickly. In terms of the feedback loops, daily stand-up meetings were held for teams to discuss progress and address any issues impacting workflow. As the result, this agile approach enabled Tesla to enhance its production efficiency significantly while ensuring high quality standards across its vehicles. Now that we have covered the fundamentals of the Kanban framework, along with 3 unique real-world business cases and examples, Let's open the floor for some questions. First question. How do I start implementing Kanban in my organization? Begin by mapping out your current workflow processes and creating a visual board that represents each stage of your work. Question 2. Can Kanban be applied in all industries? Yes, while it may require adaptation based on industry specifics, the principles of visualizing work and managing flow are universally applicable. Question 3. How can I measure success within a Kanban framework? Success can be measured through key performance indicators, KPIs, such as the lead time, cycle time, throughput, and overall team productivity. Question 4. What if my team struggles with limiting work in progress, limiting WIP? Consider starting with small WIP limits that are manageable for your team and gradually adjusting them as they become more comfortable with the process. Question 5. How do I ensure continuous improvement within my Kanban teams? Encourage regular retrospectives where teams can reflect on their processes and outcomes, fostering a culture of learning and adaptation. Yes. Sixth question. What are some common pitfalls when implementing Kanban? Common pitfalls include lack of clarity around the roles of responsibilities, insufficient training on Kanban principles, or failing to engage all stakeholders in the process. Question 7. How do I communicate my findings from the Kanban analysis within my organization? Use visual aids like charts or presentations that illustrate key insights about team performance and project outcomes. Question 8. Can I use Kanban alongside other project management methodologies? Yes. Many organizations integrate Kanban practices with other methodologies like Scrum or Lean for a more comprehensive approach. Question 9. How does competitive advantage factor into this analysis? Understanding your competitive advantages helps tailor your project strategies effectively during the Kanban process. Question 10. What tools can assist in managing Kanban projects? Consider using project management tools like Trello, Jira, or Asana that facilitate tracking tasks visually and promoting collaboration among team members. In conclusion, the Kanban framework provides an invaluable approach for organizations looking to enhance their workflow efficiency by focusing on visualization, flexibility, and continuous improvement. By implementing this methodology effectively, businesses can drive innovation, enhance customer satisfaction, and achieve sustainable growth over time. Thank you all for joining me today. If you have any further questions or thoughts after this session, please don't hesitate and feel free to reach out later. Thank you.